Okay, I'm making bead garland for 4th of July. And I have apple barrel real navy and wooden beads, paint. Okay, so I watered down my paint. Clearly, I made too much paint. Put a tiny bit of water in there, but what I did is made a lot of paint, and I don't need this many blue beads. So, my next go around, I won't use as much. And I've already started, and I think they're going to turn out really cute. So, I need to do probably a few more. I'm just going to drop them in and then swirl them. Just kind of coat them. And then use this wooden stick and fish them out. Just set them on this plate. And I'm just going to let these dry. Okay, so I took my beads and I used this little sander and kind of just roughed them up. I don't know if that's focused. Made them look old. I kind of like that look. So now I'm going to string them, and I just used tape. I taped the end to make it fit through the beads. And I was going to do red, white, and blue. And then maybe one of these. And then red, white, and blue. Little star. I don't know what I want to do with it yet. Well, I tried something on the front. For the first time ever, I used one of those little burner tools and burn it in, and then I tried to paint it, didn't like it, then I sanded it, and I still don't know what I want to do to put on the end. And I got all my beads from Amazon.